Sensible masculinity refers to being respectful and positive representation of manhood. As you become the newest ambassador of your community and as an overseas Filipino worker in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, how will you promote and demonstrate your involvement in understanding its core value of the organization? 60 seconds starts now.
As an ambassador of Mr. Gan Philippines, Philcom KSA, it will be my great power and responsibility to promote and to share the core values of organizations to different communities such as sensible masculinity, outstanding sportsmanship, and limitless potential. Sensible enough that everything that we do, we are qualified. And also outstanding sportsmanship that in every competition or in life in general, sometimes we win or sometimes we lose, but we never quit. And lastly, limitless potential. You are capable in achieving all of your dreams as long as you have that courage to pursue it. I know it's not that easy, but together, we can create a positive and respectful impact to our society and bring a better version of our nation. Thank you.